Hi everybody, and welcome back once again to another episode of AskMarkTV. Today I'm going to be doing the food review, and today's new product, or different product that I'm looking at today, is Fry's Turkish Delight. I have no idea what this tastes like. However, it does appear to be some sort of a candy bar. It is made by Cadbury. But not by the Cadbury that you know and love from here. It's the Cadbury in the United Kingdom. This particular bar looks like it was manufactured in Birmingham, England. Here are the nutritional information that's on it. And the nutritional information will tell you, what it has in it. And if you want to take a look, you can always freeze frame that to take a look at that. Here is the quick nutritional information. So as you can see, about 185 calories, nearly 30 grams of sugar, really 3.5 or so grams of fat. All in all, I'd say for a candy bar, for a treat, not too bad. Now we're going to take a look at what this actually does taste like. So let's go ahead and grab us a plate here. And this is the Turkish Delight. Open up out of the package. Ah, look at that. Very nice looking. In case you want to get more of a up-close view. Some wafers, okay. See if we can't cut this in half and see what the inside looks like. You can see the inside is kind of a glossy. Not sure what that looks like. Let's see if some of the ingredients can give us a clue. It looks like Turkish Delight has got sugar, water, modified maize starch, which would be corn, has pectin, and flavorings, dried milk, cocoa butter, cocoa mass, dried whey. So we'll cut this in half again here. And we'll give it a try. That is a very odd sensation. The outer shell of chocolate is milk chocolate, and it's about as good as milk chocolate gets, I guess. The inside is like a very hard... Let me see if I can get some light to shine on this a little bit more, so you can see. The inside is quite different. It is like a gummy, but even harder than your normal kind of gummy. Has kind of a apricot sort of taste to it. And if you like apricot, that might be pretty good for you there. The outer shell of chocolate it's good. That's very gummy and a very strange texture to find in the middle of your chocolate. So for the Turkish Delight, the chocolate outside, very tasty. This stuff in the middle, I mean, it's not anything that's going to make you throw up. Certainly not me. But it's very, very, very strange texture. It's an extremely tough middle. It's like finding an intensely strong gummy bear in the middle of your chocolate. So it's a little bit weird for me. I don't particularly like this so much. Probably wouldn't buy it again. But it is something that's out there, and it is definitely different. So for some of you, this might be perfectly wonderful. So I'm going to have to give this one here probably 2 out of 5 marks. Not the best piece of chocolate I've ever had. This gummy middle thing that's in the center here just really throws me off. But, you know, for somebody, this is probably excellent. So I will put some links down below where you can find this if you'd like to try it. If other people have tried it and liked it, tell us about it. Have you had this before, and where did you have it? As always, we ask that you please rate, comment, and subscribe. And let me know how you think the channel's going. It's a brand new thing for me. I'm hoping to be a success at it. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or night.